Okay, in this very short video, this is basically just the initial setup of your e-commerce website online store, which is very self-explanatory, and it's pretty much you just walk right through it. Just go to freewebstore.com. That's the ticket. Get started, and then choose a design you like. There's a lot of them. You can edit these and change them. Obviously, you can edit them, but you can change your design template within the once you've already got you're working on your site. I'll show you how to do that later on. But just if you're looking for, you can, like I said, you can always change it. So just choose one to get started. If you're looking for a couple good ones that I personally like, one's called Pro Optic. Uh, this one I like a lot. I like the shoe store one a lot. I've used this one too. Um, this one's good. I mean, really, they're all pretty decent. Just kind of what fits what you're looking to do. Obviously, at this point, you've probably already got an idea of the store that you would like to do. So just base it upon that. So select a design. And once you select a design here, it's just going to ask you for your information to sign up. Then it's going to walk you through the prompts. Um, I'm not going to sign up through the whole thing, but basically you sign up and it just walks you through some of the benefits and upgrades if you want, which you don't need to do that right away or at all because you can get a lot for free. You do get a free SSL certificate if you got a lot of products, and for some of the the deeper marketing things you do need to upgrade, but really you get a ton for free. And some of my sites are upgraded, some of them aren't. Got 6 right now, and four of them are not upgraded. Actually, I just upgraded one, so 3 of them are upgraded, 3 of them are not. And actually, I will show you a couple of the sites that I've done while I'm on there with these templates, so you can kind of get an idea. Here's one site. It's a surplus cutting tool site where I basically sell surplus tooling. And you can just see how nice it looks, nice and crisp. Got a little banner below here that takes you to some really cool pricing here for some new end mills, which are cutters for machinists. Um, Another site that I done is Diamond Blade Guru. It's basically a diamond blade store for contractors who buy blades to cut their brick, block, and masonry. And you can see how sharp these look. I mean, and basically now what's in is not a whole bunch of flair and everything. What's in is a nice, crisp, easy to navigate website. And that's why I love free web store so much, because not just because of how much you get for free, but just because how nice and crisp the sites look, how easy it is to actually work it and figure it out. And you can just do so much with it, and it walks you right through basically everything. So there's 2 of the sites I made. This is my best site right now, the one that does the most business. And it's also my newest site, so pretty popular. Carbide Emerald Store. I'm basically selling a bunch of cutters, but um, so that's 3 of the sites I did. Like I said, walk through here, get set up. What I'm going to do is work from a site that I've already started, which is basically a new store for the company. And that's how I'm going to go. So once you get your site name and everything set up, we'll go from there and move on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.